Hey everybody, we're here today to talk about how to load this Petzl ID properly. Now, the Petzl ID has a place for your anchor and where the rope comes out. Everything is written on this device on how to load these things properly. We have our eye. Our eye either goes to our anchor, or if we're working on the Petzl JAG for the rescue, our anchor or the load will be our patient. So we've got to learn to load these things properly. We're going to take our rope, we're going to load it from the top because our anchor at this situation is going to be at the top of the tower. We load it, close the lid, rotate it. With our ANSI rated carabiner, we're going to poke it in the eye at the front, flip your carabiner. Now we're going to need some slack. We attach this ID to our umbilical. Do not attach this to your sternal or your dorsal. These points of attachment are only for rescue. All right, so we attach it to our umbilical. We're not going anywhere. Lock this handle off because we're not moving. We need to be safe at all times. And for an extra point of friction, we're going to add another carabiner. And we are ready to control descent.